All right. Wi-Fi wants to act crazy now, huh? Absolutely crazy. Come on, Wi-Fi, chill out. Oh boy. It's about to get scary. Hmm. Okay. I know it's gonna disconnect again. Oh boy, not right now. At all times. Why right now? I didn't put a stop in on this. I didn't put a stop in. Come on, man. I don't think it's gonna be able to hold up here. Available. Getting some issues. Come on, man. Don't know where I'm at. I might have to get out on my phone because this is insane. Might have to end up getting out on my phone. Disconnecting, reconnecting, disconnecting. Oh my gosh, I gotta get out of this stock. I gotta get out of this stock pronto. Do I want to do it on my phone? Yeah, man, I'm trying to get out of this stock. Oh boy. The whole morning, no problems with the internet. No problems. And then all of a sudden, I can't see anything. I need to go and check the down detector because something's wrong with this. Let me see. T. Yeah, I just lost my subway. I'm in this trade and I need to figure out I need to get out of it. It's giving me some problems here. Street smart. Giving me some problems. Oh my gosh, connection lost again. Bruh. I'm only down $8 on it. On that stock AHAR. Let me at least put a stop loss in there. What am I in? 1592. I need connection though, J Kratz. I don't have any connection. Let me see if this get on my mobile data. Come on, man. So glad, so glad, so glad I don't have a lot of size in this position. It is not letting me escape. I'm down $6 right now. It's not bad. But I promise to God, this thing is going to kill me. Oh my gosh. It is tripping. Well, at least my new Wi-Fi system is at least in Mississippi. It'll be here. It's supposed to be here today. It was supposed to be here yesterday, but it's on the way. $15.72. Yep. $15.25. So I'll go ahead and put a stop in there. Stop. Okay. That should be enough. Okay, so at least that order is placed. Bruh. Got the order in there. I may have to exit this whole thing. Jesus Christ. All right. Pull it back up and see if we can get into it. Thought my Wi-Fi was doing better, but oh my gosh, it's trying to kill me. It is trying to kill me. Come on, you got this. Hey, look at that thing blast out of there. What the heck? Okay. Well, Wi-Fi killing me, but okay. We'll play ball with that. Praise God. Underlay. Look at this. Holy Jesus. Well. Okay. Well, maybe we can eat into this little deficit some. That was a huge explosion. What in the world caused that? But I only got 10 bucks. I need a little bit more than that. Wow. So I guess the internet knew what was about to happen. Wanted to kind of mess with me. I hate the internet. Yeah, I bought down there. No, I'm not gonna buy again. This thing just broke out of pre-market highs. So, I'm just gonna watch my balance try to come down a little bit. Down right now, 88 bucks. I literally have no more money for this. So I'm not even gonna play that game. That entry was the 1593. Just gonna let it ride. 1550. That stop. 1550 again. Can we get any continuation through the top? I mean, you gave me 10 bucks. I need to see my position though. That was a $10 rip, but I think it has a little bit more in it. So I'm not gonna be just selling this one. Up 40 cents. Mm, 1640s. Can we get that 50 back up there? Drive through the 50. We have no new bottoms yet. $15.93. $15.64. Tell you what I don't want is it to come back to this break-even mark. 1593s. The 5 EMA is right at my entry. The 2-minute EMA is above it. We'll see if it can hold above those, like the 1640s, stuff like that. Get going upward a little bit. But right now, it's only giving me 10 bucks. Looking for new bottoms. And get those 35s up there to start the hold. $35s. Can we get the 35s if possible? 31s very quickly, not getting those 30s back on the bid. 31s, can we see the 32s? Kind of heavy there. Very quick in and out. Don't like that. Try to be patient again. 1593 has to hold up. Do I take the $7 that it paid me, or do I be patient for another move up? Took forever to make this move, so I'm gonna be patient. Plenty of support down here at the 1550. Support came out of that little triangle, so I'm just gonna be patient. I believe it can go a little bit higher. Not seeing those 35s hold, 28s down here, 31s right there. Can we see the 32s? 36s, 37s. Getting a little heavy there. Will it be able to hold this up? I really don't want to come back to break even. But it'll make a little dent in the day if it can just hold up. Trying to wait for another low to form. See if it can break out of this little trend again. That trend there. It is 11 o'clock. People have not gone to lunch yet. They're still out here playing. Got plenty of wicks there. 1580. Need to see those 30s start to hold. Not seeing the 30s on the bid. Very quick 30s, but that could be a fake. 30s right back off. I'm gonna put a hard stop down here in my entry, because if it doesn't go my way, I don't want to take a loss on this. I'd rather just give back that little $9 than something bad happen with the snap down. So 1593, 1592 will be a hard stop. Because I do not need any kind of baptism by fire out here. So I got my stop in there. If it wants to go higher, sweet, I'm going to go and use the restroom. It just needs to break out of this little trend it's got going down here. Let's see this little trend here. I'm just not willing to take that risk of it dumping. So we will see what it wants to do there. Maybe it can get up, maybe not. It is under the body of this candle. I want to see it start holding this 1625 very strongly. See if it can get those 30s back up there. There's the 30s right there. Very quick and in and out. That trend line becoming a problem. Holding the 30s becoming a problem. Can we see those 30s right there? Nice. Very quick in the 30s and quick in and out. Can we break those 40s? Snapping back in there. All right, so we have a bottom here of the 1616, 1614. So 1614. I'll call this out right here, 1614. If it wants to slam down, it'll be a green trade. Really, bro? You ain't even gonna give me time to put the order in. Come on, man. I wanted it to push out of there for me to put that order in there. Was looking for those 30s to hold up, not seeing it. So a breakdown of the 16 is where I'll be looking. 15.99. We're out. It's 30 cents away, but it's still a green trade, just a smaller one. Let's see it stay out of that trend, but now it's back in it. Probably gonna crack me out. I'm okay with that. Will it break down that 16? You know what? I just realized something. This is exactly what I did the last time. I'm gonna use this certified level to get out. This 1550. I'll give it 50 more cents to run. See if it can get any higher highs. So I'll put it right there. I'm gonna go and use the restroom again. Oh, that tea is running through me. Looks like it slipped through that 16 a little bit. Yep, a little bit. This thing is so crazy. But literally, the last time I did this, I sold out, had 70 shares. This thing jumped all the way through pretty much everything. It's one of those crazy ones, I guess. Ooh, what in the world? Is that true? Nah, that's gotta be a mistake. Hold up. Nope, that's not a mistake. From the 10.29 down to the $8, then back up to the 10.29. That does not look realistic at all. That's got to be a mistake. Is anybody else seeing that on MRIN on the 2-minute chart? There's no way. No, no. It it says it went to 0. No way. I won't accept that as truth. All right, so this thing definitely has a definite flat top up there. I just put a 75-cent follow on it. I'm gonna let it play ball. Okay, so I am crazy, Nicholas. Appreciate you for verifying that. That's a good entry, 0. Limit order. Ay, ay, ay. Looking like it's working its way down. Weeble doesn't either. Yeah, that means it was just over here. See if it still shows it. Yep. Maybe it could be dealing with some of those issues, those disconnection issues I was just having earlier. Rewalk. Getting a little heat back up there to that trend line. Instant rejection off that trend line. Can we see those 1610s? Okay, this is not looking good. This is looking like it's about to turn into a 3-bar play. So 1580, I'm going to go ahead and cut that one. 15, gotta move that. It's looking like a nice setup 3-bar play. 1579. That may dump a whole lot. Just needs to hold around that 16 for a little bit. Still working within this trend line here. Holding that 16 up. So it actually would have stopped me out there, but what changed my mind is what happened down here. Got out, and the problem is this was a buy area and this was a buy area. I bought up here, so it definitely put me in a bad position. It's going to be following you by 75 cents. If you can get going, let's see, what's the body of this candle? 1625, can you get up there? 1625 would be magnificent. 1615s. 1592. See if we can hold over those levels. Coming down and retesting this level of the 1592s. This 5-minute candle is about to close up here in a minute. Hopefully it doesn't rip down in this last minute. You can hold it, just hold it. Man, Friday has been something else. Getting blasted at that 16. They do not want it over that 16. $15.60. Hard stop right through this level here. Well, I have a hard stop down there because I want to see if it's going to make another bottom higher than its 1560, which it may do. If that's possible, then I don't want to get out too soon, especially with this small share size, because literally I'll be risking what, $10. So yeah, right now I'm down 36 cents, so no problem. Let's see if it can get back over the 1596. Start getting bought up here. It's looking like it came down to the 15-minute 9 EMA above the VWAP, so we'll see if we can bounce off of that 9 EMA, which is a 1575. If not, oh well. But today I had a couple of bad entries, entered way too high on that first one. Then, I had to cut the loss down there. It just was going way too much against me. And then down here, I was like, "Ooh, this is a nice spot." And still kind of bought high on this one because the dip was down here, but I wasn't sure about it. If it makes it back down here, though, I'm gonna go ahead and get out because it tested this way too much to come back down to it. 1560. Looking for that 91, 95s, something like that. This 15-minute candle has 5 minutes on it. It's got plenty of time to drop, so it may just do that. So this run up was 70 cents. Wow, look at that rundown. So definitely would have stopped me out on that little wick down there. It got down to the low of the 76. So did get a nice little bounce. Nice little bounce. Giving it just a little bit more time. Can it stay above those 60s? $75s. It's now crossing below that 15-minute 9 EMA. Well, almost. It's holding it up now. Still in this downtrend. Man. Well, some days it's like this. $4. Down like $106 right now. Willing to risk $10 on this trade. Stupid high entry on this other one. Your bag is getting lighter on Adder. Let me see what Adder is doing. That's a scary one. All right, so this one's kind of waking up. Did hold this little level here, so maybe it'll go up and try to test that trend line. Maybe not. We'll see. Yeah, but if it drips down too much, I'm gonna go ahead and get out because I don't like I don't like sitting in trades that aren't going according to the plan. For real. Like this, that first one that I held from up here at the 16 down here, that was a dollar. That was a whole dollar loss on those 60, 70 shares. So that was $70 right there. So I just don't like doing it. And this one is so close to my buy-in, which was 15.93. It literally needs to jump up just a little bit. I'll be back green on it. I'd rather be in this position down here, risking $10 here than up there risking 115. But bigger risk. Took a bigger risk up there. I actually said it. I was like, this is going to be more risky. So I extended my risk a little bit. All right, I am about to get stopped out. It is 8 cents away from me. This thing is done. Friday movement. Here we go. Go ahead and get me out of there. 69. 70s. Got a hard stop at the 60. And we see those 75s back up there. Will it get bought off of this 9? The 9 is at the 1571. It's got to break that 71. Can it do it? $73, $59. Needs to break and see the 72s, 73s. Definitely trading within a channel. Until that channel breaks down. Because it's definitely not testing the upside. Tested it once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. Just a 1, 2, 3 times. We'll see if it can start holding those 75s up. Can I get back green? Possibly. Well, green on this trade, I mean. Definitely not probably going to get everything back. CEI finally popped up there. This thing moved. Let's see the range on it. 5 to the 18 cent, 20 cents, 15-cent run up. Rewalk came on down. This one's looking like it's about to pound me into the ground. No homo. Yep, this isn't looking good. I think it's going to break. 5 cents away from my stop out. Is it really going to hold this range? Okay. Well, ain't that something? Trying to hold the 75s now. Made a little higher low there. I still don't trust it. Feel like it wants to take my soul still. This may be just a glimmer of hope. Man, I bought way too high. What was I doing? What was I doing? Bought way too high and then averaged down, which was an even worse idea. Oh boy. Well, have a little bit of a bottom that's been tested twice, 1563. Can it stay above that? Because I'm about to go and get something to eat. $80. Can we get the 80s up there? 78s. Yeah. Breakouts have been absolutely horrible. I think that's well, I was almost green, but it played with my heart. 1562s. 1562. Well, I guess I'll leave it at the 60. Playing with my heart, man. They did this before, but I think this big green candle is going to be a red candle coming down this way. Trying to hold up that 75. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah, I don't think it can get back up. I mean, everything's gone from it. Still holding this level of the 1560s. We haven't seen any 1580s. $673. Yep. About to get stopped out. Let's zoom in here to watch me get stopped out. $80 got close. Let me see those 77, 78s. Almost green. I don't know if I want to let this thing run against me again, man. I might get out if it goes green, or I might put my stop at the green if it gets back over it, because I don't know. This thing is really, really acting like it wants to visit the bottom of the ocean. Trying to give it a little bit of time to get over that 80. On. Because it just doesn't seem like it should come back down here again. $85s, can we see it? 81. All right, so 1560, 1562. 85's quick up there, but can we get green? Tapping again. Bro, this got to be the longest hold time I've had ever. I don't know how many hours I've been in this trade, but it feels like an eternity. See if it can hold that 16 level. Tried to go up 3 times, and now it's stopping in the midpoint of this channel, which may not be good. Needs to break over those 16s. $16.03. We need to see stacks of 16s coming up. I see a bunch of 15s. Where are the 16s? Nope. What's this one? 1570. Go ahead and move it up a little bit for out. I think it spent way too much time for me to let it run back against me too much. And we see 16s here. All the 16s ran out. Don't even see them on the tape anymore. 1598, 1599. Any 16 would be greatly appreciated. There's 16, 1601, 1605. Let's get out of the 15s. We need to see stacks and stacks of 16s. I only see 2. Come on. The numbers are also a lot smaller now. So we just have to see if those 16s can start to pile in here. But if it comes back down here, I'm going to go ahead and jump. Not being able to hold up that 16. The body of this count is a 1604. It barely got through that. $15.99. 16 got hit just a little bit, just enough to make it mad. Can we see a 1601 come through? Nope. Yeah, that 88 is definitely a problem. Me's the whole 16. Being this close to 16 and not forcing its way into it. That's what I was looking for, but it just isn't holding it up. So it may cause me to jump out, man. Or my stop to get hit rather. Need to see that 95 start to hold. 93s, 95 popped up there very quickly. Need to see more of that. '88 broke. Popped the 88 very quickly. Maybe a new low or a new higher low forming, possibly. But that's a big maybe. Huge maybe. This one's coming down. Anything else attracting attention somewhere else? Rewalk came on down. CEI came on down. All right. Well, it's only got a couple of choices. And that 16 is one of them. See if it can break that 16 over this 2-minute high. Can we see those 95s? I see 95s very quickly. 96s. Can we see the 97s, 98s? Can we see some 16s? Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Well, that was quick. Well, let's see if it can hold up those 16s. Got a nice little FOMO pop. Can we get some continuation behind that? Mmm. Sixteens. Can we see those 16s start to just flood in? Nope. All right. Body of this candle is the 1570. We'll see if it can hold that up. Made a little bit of a higher low on the 2-minute. We got to see what this 5-minute wants to do. Got a whole 4 minutes left on this 5-minute candle, so it can definitely dip a lot. CEI scampering up for what? From the 12 to the 25, 12-cent run-ups. Not too volatile. Right. Need to see those 96s pop up there. 94s, 91s, 95s. Can you play ball? Do you want to play ball today? Will this be a new low? 96s is what we need to see. Nope. Falling through. A lot of weakness there. $15.70 is my out. Looking like it's about to dump. All right, so 74. Again. $92. $10,000 share position at the 1580. I don't know if that's short or long, but if it makes it to that 80, it's either gonna explode down or, you know, just chill. Because that's looking like the biggest share size out here. Yeah. There was no volume to hold that push up. Let's see, the high of this one is the 95, so push over the 95. So we need to see. Not gonna get it. What's this bottom here? 1580, so I'll move it up to the 79 on my stop. 79. Wants to slam down, it can do what it does. Just gonna get out there. Out of the 80s, I'm out. All right, got out there for a little dip off. Gave it plenty of time today. Oh well, let's see. Was every trade today red? It was. Just bad decisions all over the place. Just drunk trading. So yeah, definitely sized in, oversized, and all of the losses were pretty decent. Usually I cut my losses at 20 cents, but this last one, this 60 cents and this 41 cents killed me. I should have just kept them at the 20-cent rule. But, you know, at least it wasn't 60 cents on 150 shares or 127. Oh man, I hate finishing trading and feeling tired. That's just not the way I like to trade. I like to get in and out. But now I feel like I ran a track meet, ran my head into the dirt. I'm feeling like an ostrich. Let's see. AEHR, here are the buys and sales. I'm going to have like 500 bucks to trade with Monday, but it's okay because it is Monday unless something crazy comes out. But I just, yeah, definitely over traded today. Sized up a little, well, a lot too much, and got stopped out of almost every position I was in. But that is how it goes sometimes. I am down 100 and like 110 bucks, 103 bucks. So 130 bucks, just one of those days. So that means on the week, I'm down 30, 31 bucks on the week. 31 bucks on the week. So it's whatever. All good. Had to cut the losses. Things just not looking right for me. So whatever. Anyway, that's it for today. I gotta go and get something to eat. I'm hungry. It's 12 o'clock at my time, and look at this retarded stock, man. I can't do it. I just can't do it. Let me close this down before I get mad. All right, guys. I will see you guys Monday morning with a very small account to trade. Um, let's see. I won't have many trades, so I'll probably have to take 1 or 2 trades Monday morning. Yeah, you guys have a good weekend as well. Stay safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't gamble. Oh my gosh, man. Look at this. I am sickened by this thing. Oh well. I had a plan. I stuck to it. We'll come back Monday with better plans, and I'll definitely do some research over. I'll probably go back and run this video back and just see what all I did wrong, because there's probably about 50 things I did wrong in this video. But anyway, you know, hopefully I have my internet issues figured out as well with those new devices. But that was also a scary part of the stream. Internet, man, it goes out. A lot of bad things can happen. But anyway, I'm going to see you guys in the next one. And as always, peace out.